been up to recently? Instagram? Well, a place where you can just time travel. Believe me, it's true. Because 3 to 4 hours just passes like wind in seconds. Yes, I have. So, it's like inadequate actually. It's like evil or some other terms you need to use. But on the other hand, I still like Instagram because I learn a lot. I used to do many stuffs. I used to come up with many stuffs. Um, it helps me a lot. Yeah, many things happens in Instagram. So one day when I was just surfing through Instagram, a evil voice spotted at me saying that check whether any of your friends have just unfollowed you. Yeah, I know it's an evil thing, but I thought of just changing that evil thing into a good idea and come up with a great project. So this project is all about that. So even it stands like a complex thing, but I love complex things, so I thought of giving it a try. So I thought of creating a bot that can get me the list of people who have just unfollowed me, or in the other side, the people whom you follow but not that they follow you back. What it is, the people whom you follow but not that they follow you back. So when I just started this project, I had a lot of troubles. I had a lot of fun in this. So let's get on to the video. So the requirements for this project are four things. So the first one is CrowPath. You can actually download the CrowPath from the web store. So I have already added on. So the next one would be PyCharm. So I love PyCharm, guys. PyCharm helps me a lot. So you can install pip, you can install many other libraries very easily. So I love PyCharm, and PyCharm also has free open source community version, so you can download it. So the next is Selenium. The most important thing for our project is Selenium. So Selenium is actually, it's an automated WebDriver that allows your computer to automatically function or click on the contents that are available in the web browser. So that's all about Selenium. Selenium is the most important exe file in this project. So the next stop is obviously Python. So I use Python language, guys, because I love Python. So it's very easy also. So download any version of Python, not about 2. Download any version of Python 3. So after downloading Python 3, you need to install Python in the right way. So after clicking on the Python's exe file, so you would come up with this window. So in which click on add path. This makes your computer to know where this Python is. So if you're not clicking on add path, then you would face a lot of problems in compiling error. A lot of error would appear, guys. So try to click on add path. Then go to customs install. Then click on pip. So you need to install pip. If you're not going to install pip, you don't have any libraries, you can't install any libraries into your Python interpreter. So try to install pip. So try to uncheck the documentation. So documentation actually takes more and more space, so try to uncheck the documentation. Then click on next to install. So I have already installed, so I won't click on next. So the next stop is PyCharm. So in PyCharm, we need to import some libraries, guys. So go to files, go to settings, then click on project interpreters. Then click on plus icon over here. Then go to the search bar and type Selenium. So I've already installed it. So what it's showing in blue font color. So then you need to install keyboard. So you can see keyboard over here in the blue font. So I've already installed keyboard too. Then we need to install PyAutoGUI. PyGUI. So PyAutoGU. I've already installed PyAutoGU also. So we need to install these. Then after installing these packages, just close. Just click on close again. Then we need to import something. So I would explain it actually. So from Selenium import WebDriver. So Selenium is a package in which take the subdirectory called WebDriver. WebDriver is very important in this tutorial because it's like a browser, a Chrome browser or something else. So the next line explains from selenium.webdriver.common.keys import keys. So it's like in the package called Selenium, take a package called WebDriver. In the package called WebDriver, take a package called common. In the package called common, take a package called keys. In the package called keys, take the files called keys. That's all the second line actually means. So the third line is importing PyAutoGU. So importing PyAutoGU is because you can automatically click on whatever you like actually. So AutoGU allows the computer to automatically click on any part of your window. So that's what PyAutoGU means. So next keyboard. So the next thing is time. So I'm just importing time. So you don't need to install time in pip. So you can just import time. That's it. Then import secret. Secret is actually a file, guys. It's just a file. So in this file we have the username and the password. That's it, guys. So you have to import secret, guys. So in the secret file you have username, Mr. Noob. Password I have not entered it, so don't worry. So the next stop is coding, guys. I would just explain about the coding and the algorithm in the next video, in the part 2.